Creative U is a 2-year programme for young people based in Washington, led by Sunderland Culture in partnership with Washington Mind and funded by Sunderland City Council's Washington Area Committee. It's a 2-year programme for young people ages 11 to 19 and gives access to high quality arts and culture. It also supports their mental health and well-being. The project is about supporting their stories. We have 4 weekly groups that we run as part of Creative U. We have young writers based out of Washington Library, young filmmakers group based at the Millennium Centre. Also based out of here, we have our Creative U Arts for Wellbeing group and our Bright Lights Young Artists Collective as well.
So there's been a youth arts exhibition at Arts Centre Washington for over 25 years, but more recently we've called it the Bright Lights Youth Arts Exhibition. And last year we decided to celebrate all the different art forms that go on in Arts Centre Washington. We'd have our very first Bright Lights Youth Arts Festival. We had performances by Washington Youth Theatre and Right Track Young Musicians Project, as well as a film screening and a whole host of free workshops for young people aged 11 to 19. This year, thanks to the Creative U project, we've been able to expand the festival even further with more free workshops for young people, including showcasing some of the young people's work who take part in our regular Creative U programme.
Bright Lights Youth Arts Festival kicked off yesterday with a celebration event opening the Youth Arts exhibition. That was followed by a screening from Washington Young Filmmakers Collective, their film The Grey Lady, which is a horror short. That was followed by some performances by young people who use the Arts Centre.
Getting other people to actually see your work, it's something that I've never really had before apart from like school. Somewhere else where there's like people that are experienced and like other people that do that stuff.
Like I used to be scared of speaking in front of like more than 2 people that I know, and now I'm comfortable with speaking to a larger group of people that I haven't spoke to before, and I definitely feel more confident in a lot of different things. Yeah, it's made my dream even stronger.
The event tonight's absolutely amazing. I think we're so privileged in Washington to have so many clever young people who can produce this work and to the high scale they have as well. It's fabulous.
We've got a series of free workshops on this week. So today we had animation this morning, this afternoon we had photography, we've got collage tomorrow, lino printing.
So we were given plasticine and we had to kind of mould it into different creations and try and put it on the shot and move it around really slowly to create an animation. So I think having the ability to make the character and then turn it into an animation is really cool because it's kind of giving us our own freedom to do what we want.
Well, we've been doing lots of different things. We've been kind of making our own photos and we've been learning about the history of photography.
We have made these like sunflower things that use the sunlight to make a picture.
So we were taking photos down in the art gallery and we were taking photos of like the pictures and the designs and the different pieces of artwork.
The picture that were made, it was very detailed and very nice.
We've also got different events on, so we've got a youth theatre performance tonight, we've got a gig by Right Track on Friday, we've got music masterclasses by Right Track, we've also got a youth market by Washington Mind on Saturday.
I wanted to participate in it because, well, there's just a lot of people here that I enjoy playing with and it's a good opportunity to get experiences that I want to have in the future.
I wanted to participate because I enjoy playing with all the different people I get to play with. It's a new opportunity. I think it's important it nurtures young people to adopt an instrument and enjoy it. I really enjoy just being able to have that atmosphere and playing with all the people I enjoy playing with.
Well, I have struggled a lot with nerves in the past, but I do know that just repeating and rehearsing what I've done so far, obviously with my friends' help, you know, it tends to calm us down a lot. Well, I think it's mainly my friends and the idea of creating music that made us want to participate in the festival. And I think it's quite important to share, you know, music. It's said to be a universal language, so everybody can understand it, and I think it's important to share things.
So now, won't you take me into your arms and tell me that it's fine, even if you're lying.
So our show is about a group of animal catchers, monster hunters who go on this crazy adventure through IKEA to try and find a monster and a cat, but come across lots of different characters on the way.
My favourite part's scene 10 because everyone's in that scene and they go through loads of different portals into different worlds.
Well, I am a little bit nervous, but I mean, I'm just excited to be performing for lots of other people.
Well, the show we're doing now is a game show, which is called Totally Pointless.
It's just where we improvise like a game show. I'm the host and I'm hosting it with my friend Natasha. And it's basically just like a comedy break for people to watch and that.
I remember my first session was supposed to be the day the lockdown was announced. So that was kind of 2020-ish. And then I started after that, so about a few years ago. We were all doing it together and celebrating it together. It's nice.
Just that you like get to work with people and you get to meet new people and like perform and make it and like let people enjoy it.
My favourite part? I wouldn't really know, to be honest. I love all of it. So yeah, all of it really is my favourite part.
It's been fantastic to see the creativity of the young people during Creative U, and especially this week we've saw plenty of new faces and old faces taking part in all the workshops, and yeah, the result's really fantastic.